Are you fixing it? Where's the motor?
It's here. It's here. Right here. Right
Oh, don't rip it out. Does that thing burn rubber or what?
Yes.
Yeah, you spin right out with that. Give us some details about it. What do you got going on with this machine?
You want to drink? No. No.
Come on, tell us about it.
This is a mega engine. This is my human. This is Papa.
Gear shift?
This is my
The gas pedal?
that's my gas pedal. This is screw. This is the